I felt it from the start. It grew inside my heart. It changed me from that day. This love I can't contain. I waited for a sign, so patient and divine. For fate was on our side. That day I came to
Saudara
find
Sandi bin Haji Baktiar, saya nikahkan Fatmawati binti Samsudin kembalinya memberikan kepada saya dengan mahar bidang tanah tunai karena Allah.
Saya terima nikahnya Ardawati binti Samsudin dengan mahar sebidang tanah tunai karena Allah.
Sah.